Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will guide you step by step through using Klaviyo's abandoned cart features with your Shopify's store. And if you want to recover your lost sales, boost your revenue, or automate follow-up emails to customers who leave items in their cart, you are in the right place. This walkthrough is perfect for absolute beginners. So let's get started. Let's start with what an abandoned cart flow is and why it's so valuable. So, whenever a shopper adds products to their cart but leaves your store without completing the purchase, Klaviyo can automatically send them follow-up emails or text messages to bring them back. These timely reminders are proven to recover lost sales, often producing some of the highest returns of any e-commerce email strategy. First, you need to connect Klaviyo to your Shopify store. So, navigate to Shopify store. I will search for Shopify. Hit enter. Now I will log into my Shopify using my user credentials. So simply navigate to your Shopify app store. Simply click on the add icon at the apps and choose Shopify app store. Now search for Klaviyo. Hit enter and choose Klaviyo. Now click on install icon and this will instantly install the application on your Shopify store. So you'll have to basically click on install button again, and this will instantly install the application on your store. Now, follow the screen instructions to connect it to your Shopify account. If prompted, log into your Klaviyo account. So I will choose consumer goods on this page and click on continue. Now, choose what's the main focus of your business right now. I will choose sell subscriptions or membership and sell products online. You can choose anything you want and click on continue. Now choose your primary business platform. You can choose any one of these platforms or click on other platform to connect to. In my case, I will choose Shopify and click on continue. Now, choose your Shopify URL. So you'll have to basically navigate to your Shopify store, click on online store and basically copy your online store IDs. So copy this URL, navigate back to that page and paste it just right here and click on continue. Now, this will instantly connect your Shopify to your Klaviyo. So this integration allows Klaviyo to track visitor behavior, including abandoned cart and started checkouts, which is essential for triggering your email flows. By default, Klaviyo tracks the started checkout. Now, you'll have to click on continue button, add your sender information on this page and click on continue. Choose how do you want to use Klaviyo, through email, SMS, mobile push notification or reviews. So you'll have to basically choose the way through which you want to notify your customers. I will choose email and click on continue. Here, click on open in Gmail button. So basically to start using Klaviyo, activate your account with the link sent to your email that you would have entered while signing up. Click on this confirm email button and this will instantly activate your account. So you'll have to go back and you'll be back to your dashboard. So this is my Klaviyo dashboard. Here, I can easily create a sign-up form or create an email welcome flow. So by default, Klaviyo tracks started checkout events, but for best results, you should enable added to cart tracking too. Here's how. In Klaviyo, navigate to your Shopify integration setting. So click on flows button. After navigating here, you'll have to click on flows and choose abandoned cart and click on use flow. After you do this, it will instantly take you to another page. So this will be a flow chart. Here, the flow will be triggered when a visitor inputs their email on the checkout page. The visitors who complete their purchase will be removed from the flow, and visitors who trigger the flow again within 7 days will not enter the flow a second time. So click on next button and to select a message type. You can choose email, email and SMS or SMS only. Whether the customer will receive an email, email and SMS both or only SMS. Now, after you do this, you'll have to confirm time delays. So the first delay could be 3 hours or days or minutes. That is the time interval between which the person will receive a reminder. You can choose to edit the number in this, like 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 day or anything. Try to keep at least 2 to 4 hours delay between the trigger and first message and 1 to 2 days between the first and second message, so it doesn't irritate your customer. As you can see, we have created our flow. Now click on next and choose your website. So this is the website where someone will make a purchase. The sender email address will be this and the currency will be here. Now click on next after editing according to your preference and your abandoned checkout flow will be created. As you can see, we have successfully set our flow to live. You can edit these timings, logic, actions and anything you want just from this page. And you can see your analytics from here, manage flow by clicking on this button and choose to view flow history, add past profiles or edit details or just get a preview. You can also click on update status and choose to update anything that you want. For example, you can choose the flow status as a draft that you want to publish later, manual that you can do as per your need, or live that is recommended, and click on save. And as you can see, we have successfully turned our first flow message live. People entering this flow will move through each step and receive every live message at just the right time. So that's it. Now you know how to set up and use Klaviyo's abandoned cart flow with Shopify. This one-time setup can bring back many lost sales each month. If you found this tutorial useful, like and subscribe for more practical how-tos. And I will see you in the next one.